Let's recreate Hailey Bieber's makeup look inspired by her makeup artist Mary Phillips' foundation and contouring hack. So, for the first step, grab any contour stick that you like and use it to contour and chisel your cheekbones, your nose area, your jawline, and your forehead. If you notice, I have used a pretty deep shade. Don't worry about it since we're going to put foundation on top of this. Use a brush to blend it out and try not to blend it in too much. Here I'm using the Rare Beauty bronzer in the shade Always Sunny. You'll notice throughout the video that I keep taking deep breaths and keep my fingers crossed because I have tried this makeup look a few times to recreate it for you, but it is still nerve-wracking how it's going to turn out. For the next step, take any concealer that you like, preferably a lighter shade compared to your skin tone, not exactly matching your skin tone because it's going to help brighten your under eye area and other areas that you would want to highlight. Here I'm using the Huda Beauty concealer. I'll put the shade in the description box. You want to put it under your eyes, towards the outer corner of your eyes, near your nose and near the mouth. And blend it in with a damp beauty blender, or if you prefer to use a brush, use a brush. I think in Hailey Bieber's TikTok and in Mary Phillips' video she uses a brush. Here I decided to add a little twist of my own. I added a little bit of concealer on the bridge of my nose to highlight that part. Hailey Bieber's video does not have that. Use any foundation of your choice, preferably a lightweight one. You can even mix your foundation with a moisturizer to keep it more dewy like how Hailey Bieber does. Here I'm using the L'Oreal Tinted Moisturizer and I have mixed two shades, I think 4 and 4.5. I mixed it on my hand and then applied it on my cheeks and the remaining part of the face. And here I'm blending it by using a buffing brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I didn't want to move the layers of makeup that I already had on my face. So instead of wiping and swiping the brush, I'm only gently tapping it to blend the foundation in. Next, I'm using this compact powder from K Beauty to set all the areas where the concealer was applied. To keep the makeup dewy and even looking, you only want to set those areas where you applied the concealer. Don't set your whole face with powder. It will look dry and cakey. Now we're going to set the cream contour with the help of a bronzing powder. Here I'm using the one from L'Oreal called L'Oreal Infallible. I'm using this brush from Morphe Cosmetics. Also, I applied a little bit of it on my eyelids to give some color. In Hailey Bieber's video, she does use a liquid blush, but I directly went in with a powder blush. Suit yourself. If you like more of a dewy look, use a liquid blush first. I prefer more of a matte look. The main rule with makeup is to always trust the process. As you can see at this point, I'm quite impressed. Next, I'm going to define my brows using this goof-proof Benefit brow pencil. I like to fill mainly the outer part of the eyebrows, not the inner part, to make it look a little more natural. And then I use the spoolie brush on the other end to blend it out. Next, I'm going to use the Rare Beauty liquid highlighter to highlight my cheekbones and other high points of the face. I think it's the shade Flaunt. I'll put it in the description box below. For my skin tone, I prefer more of a golden shade, warmer highlight shade. Suit yourself. If you like more of a silvery shade or a champagne shade, go for that. Next, I'm going to line my lips with this NYX lip liner in a chocolate brown shade. So pretty much for this makeup look, you have to do a nude lipstick of your choice and use a slightly darker lip liner to define the lips. For the lip shade, I'm using my trusty old Nika paint sticks in the shade 01. It's my perfect nude shade when I use a chocolate brown lip liner. To complete the lip look, I'm going to add a little bit of gloss that matches the nude lipstick. This gloss is from Live Tinted in the shade Proud. Mostly I'm just going to concentrate it in the center of the lips. Setting the makeup with my favorite setting spray from NYX. I'm going to do my favorite mascara from Essence. It's called Lash Princess. There's no eyeliner in this look, so I'm just going to do mascara on the top and bottom lashes. I rarely put mascara on my bottom lashes, but for this look, I decided to do it. Take your time with mascara. Don't rush this process because when you hurry it up, you're definitely going to smudge and ruin the rest of your makeup. So patiently do it and definitely make funny faces because it's going to help you apply it better. All done. Let me know if you end up trying this look. I definitely enjoyed recreating this for you. I don't know if I'll be following this on a daily basis because it's pretty time consuming, but definitely the final result was just amazing. I loved it. I will insert some pictures here.